I'm about to tell you something that'll either make you rich or make you think I'm completely insane. Gold hit $5,600 this week. Silver, $120 an ounce. Some people turned $10,000 into $40,000 in 1 year. But here's where it gets weird. Half the financial experts are saying buy now. The other half are saying this is a disaster waiting to happen. They can't both be right. So I went deep, and what I found out changes everything. All right, let's talk about what's actually happening right now. Gold just smashed past $5,600 an ounce. That's a brand new record. 6 years ago, same gold was sitting at $1,582. Do the math real quick. That's over 250% gains. But wait, silver is even crazier. Early last year, silver was chilling under $30 an ounce. Today, $120 per ounce. In January alone, it rocketed up 65%. 1 month, 65%. Some people literally made a year's salary in 30 days. Here's the part that's wild, though. Regular folks like you and me, we're just now waking up to this. The big players have been buying for years. Central banks, countries, institutions. They saw this coming a mile away. 5 big reasons this is happening. Reason 1. The dollar looks sketchy right now. The US dollar has been tanking lately. It's at a 4-year low. When the dollar goes down, gold and silver go up. That's just how it works. It's like a seesaw. Dollar drops, metals jump. People are basically saying, I don't trust cash right now. Give me something real. Reason 2. Countries are losing faith in the dollar. Here's something kind of crazy. Back in 2022, the US froze Russia's money after they invaded Ukraine, like $300 billion, just locked it up. Now, other countries are like, wait, if they can do that to Russia, they can do it to us. So what are they doing? China, India, Saudi Arabia, they're all buying gold like crazy. Because you can't freeze gold bars sitting in your own vault. It's physical. It's real. Nobody can take it away with a computer click. Reason 3. China is hoarding silver. China makes a ton of the world's silver, and now they're limiting how much they sell to other countries. They want to keep it for themselves. Why? Because they need it for solar panels, electric cars, electronics, all that stuff. So now there's way less silver available for everyone else. And when something gets rare, the price shoots up. Duh. Reason 4. Tech companies need silver like crazy. This is important. Unlike gold, silver isn't just for investing. It's actually used in making stuff. AI computers need it, solar panels need it, electric cars need it. Even Elon Musk tweeted about it, saying, we need silver for a lot of things. And with AI exploding right now, demand is going through the roof. More people want it, there's only so much of it. Boom, price goes up. Reason 5. The world feels kind of scary right now. Wars, inflation, banks failing, political drama. When people get nervous about the economy, they buy gold. It's been like that forever. Gold is like the ultimate safe thing to own when stuff gets crazy. And right now, stuff is definitely crazy. Is this a bubble or is it real? All right, here's the million-dollar question everybody's asking. Is this whole thing just a bubble that's going to pop? What a bubble actually means. A bubble is when prices go way up super fast because everyone's buying, but it's not based on anything real. Like, remember Beanie Babies or Pokemon cards in the 90s? Prices went insane, then crashed hard. People lost their shirts. So yeah, when something jumps 65% in 1 month, people get nervous, and they should be. But here's the thing. Normal people aren't even buying yet. In past gold rushes, everybody and their mom was buying gold. This time, nope. Gold ETFs, that's like stock market gold, actually went down in 2022 and 2023, while prices were going up. So who's been buying? Central banks, countries, big institutions, the smart money. Morgan Stanley just told their rich clients, put 20% of your money in gold. 20%? That's huge. These aren't random people on TikTok telling you to buy. These are massive banks moving billions of dollars.
Here's what's different this time. This isn't just hype. There are real reasons driving this. The dollar actually is getting weaker. Countries actually are buying tons of gold. Tech companies actually do need silver for real stuff. And supply is actually tight. This isn't people buying tulips or NFTs. These are real metals with real demand. Could there be a pullback? Sure. Could prices drop 10 to 20% at some point? Absolutely. But is the whole thing fake? Probably not.
How high can this thing go? Okay, so let's get into predictions. How much higher can gold and silver actually go? Gold predictions. Some big shot analysts are saying gold could hit $10,000. Not next week, but eventually. Why? Because governments have been printing money like crazy since 2008, and gold prices haven't kept up with all that money printing. If gold matched the money supply, it should be at like $20,000 or $30,000 already. We're nowhere close to that. So $10,000? Not that crazy when you think about it. More realistic predictions say $6,000 to $8,000 in the next year or two. Silver's even wilder. Citigroup, that's a massive bank, just said silver's gonna hit $150 in 3 months. Some people are calling for $200. One guy even said $375. Here's why silver could go higher than gold. Right now, it takes 47 ounces of silver to equal 1 ounce of gold. Back in 2011, it was only 32 ounces. If we get back to that ratio, silver would be at $170, and with all the tech demand, it could go even higher. The realistic take. Look, nobody knows for sure, but the momentum is real. Gold hitting $6,000 to $8,000? Pretty likely. Silver hitting $150 to $200? Definitely possible. Could it go higher? Maybe. Could it crash tomorrow? Also maybe. That's just how markets work. Nothing goes straight up forever.
Is it too late to buy? This is what you really want to know, right? Should you jump in now or did you miss the boat? If you've never bought gold or silver, start small. Seriously. Don't dump your whole savings into it. Maybe 5 to 10% of what you've got. Buy actual physical stuff if you can. Coins, bars, something you can hold. Don't go crazy with complicated stuff. Keep it simple. If you already own some, hold on to it. Don't panic sell just because it dips a little. This thing's got more room to run. Regular people are just now waking up to it. Big money is still buying. Dips are normal. Don't freak out. The "did I miss it" question? Here's the truth. People said gold was too expensive at $2,000. Now it's $5,600. People said silver was too high at $30. Now it's $120. Yeah, prices are high right now, but they could go a lot higher. The fundamentals are still there. Dollar's still weak, countries still buying, tech still needs silver. None of that's changing anytime soon. The smart way to think about it. Don't try to time it perfectly. You'll drive yourself nuts. If you believe in the reasons why it's going up, then get in. If you think it's all BS, then don't. But don't sit around waiting for the perfect time, because 6 years from now, you'll be kicking yourself. Man, I should have bought when it was $5,600. Okay, let's wrap this up. Gold and silver are going crazy right now. Is it a bubble? Probably not. The reasons are real. Could it crash? Sure, anything can crash. How high can it go? Way higher than where it is now. Maybe. Is it too late? Nope. But don't wait forever either. Here's the deal. Do your homework. Talk to someone who knows their stuff if you need to. Understand that you could lose money, but also understand that you could make money. Just don't be the person sitting on the sidelines forever.
Because when gold and silver move like this, they usually keep moving for years. Not weeks, not months, years. So make a decision. Get in or stay out, but make it an educated decision.